So mix a little bit here. Oh. Spicy.
Nice.
Spicy.
Spicy as well?
Oh, yeah.
You like the spicy for sure, huh?
Oh, I love the spice. Dude, I love this. Like this.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in really hot Kuwait City, Kuwait, with my boy Yosef from Local Tours Kuwait. Today we're gonna eat some delicious Kuwaiti food for lunch. What are we eating?
Today we are eating mandi laham.
Mandi laham.
Yeah, that's Arabic, Kuwaiti, Yemeni lunch, you know?
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
And so this restaurant, I just went inside, I saw it. Looks amazing, guys. It's like, you know, like you're on the floor. It's not really a table, it's on the floor. They put like a sheet, right? Like a plastic sheet.
Yeah.
And they put the food there. And then after this, we're gonna go have some shisha.
Yeah.
Tea.
Tea, shisha tea.
Tea, shisha, tea. And we're going to a local spot, right?
Yeah, local spot for sure.
And then we're gonna probably end it off at the Grand Mosque. Between 5 and 7, they have tours every day.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's every day, but that's the time you can go and actually see and get a tour of the property. Let's do this, I'm hungry. Yalla, yalla, yalla.
Okay, so David, it's different, you know? The cheese. And sit down.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Easy, yeah?
Really cool. You just get inside here, sit down on the floor, and you eat on the floor. Yeah. Thanks, dude. Wow, nice. And that's the plate right there?
That's it.
And there's the plate, right? Naan. Good food?
Very nice.
Awesome, dude.
For you.
That's it? And here we have the mandi.
Mandi laham.
Mandi laham. Mandi laham. So what do we have? This is goat, right?
Yeah.
So a goat with rice. Next to us, I think this is tomato, right?
Yeah, and this is sauce.
The sauce.
Yeah.
With potato.
Yeah.
Okay, and what do? I just pour it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want?
Yeah, let's put some. Just a little bit. Okay, nice. That's enough. So I just go in with the hand and break it up, right?
Yeah. One hand, don't forget, David.
Always one hand, guys. This is the Indian style. Yeah, so you gotta be careful here. You see the bones? Take the bones out, look at that. Wow. This is so good, so fresh. Goat meat, I haven't tried goat meat yet in here in Kuwait.
It's nice.
It's nice, right? I'm sure it's very good.
And this onion, you can put it.
Oh yeah?
Taste, yeah.
Okay. So I'm breaking it up. Getting some crispy onions, some goat meat. This is how you do it. I'm gonna do the Indian style, right? So you put it on these 3 fingers. I'm gonna do it right here. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah?
Oh, it's so fresh, dude. Juicy fat, nice flesh. Dude, I love the rice. Basmati rice. I think the crispy onions is a good little twist, but I think they need to give us more, no? Not enough crispy onions.
Need more?
Any more? Always more, man. And they gave us this because you're eating, obviously, like all over the place, and they don't want to get the carpet dirty, right?
Yeah.
And this, just take a tomato sauce.
Yeah. You want to put fry?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay.
Let's try it right here. Let's try it here.
Yeah.
This little layer.
That's right here.
Yeah, it actually looks like a gazpacho. Like a Spanish gazpacho, you know?
No, no.
It's like, I'm just saying it looks like it. The tomato. So mix a little bit here. Oh. Spicy.
Nice.
Spicy.
Spicy as well?
Oh, yeah.
You like the spicy for sure, huh?
Oh, I love the spice. Dude, I love this. Like this.
With this one.
Right?
Okay.
Just mix it up there.
Yeah.
Oh, you're making it like a little ball.
Yeah.
So we got some piece. Wow. Look at the flesh. It's amazing. I actually like this one a lot, so I'm gonna get some more of this. You want some of the spicy one or
No.
Ready? Oh man, so delicious. So I didn't know you guys had goat.
Yeah, it's good.
Wow. Delicious plate.
Yeah, thanks.
So good. So fresh. Wow, bro. Wow. You eat this whole thing. I can't get enough of this. I'm actually gonna get some more of the spice. Drop it all over there. Boom, like that. Oh, it's a little hard to eat here because you're on the floor, but it's nice. It's a cool experience. Wow. Small bones with goat. But the combination between the goat and the rice and the spice. Dude, this is so fire. It's too good. So, dude, what is this drink?
It's milk with mint.
Milk with mint?
Yeah.
It's almost like buttermilk. In India?
Yeah.
It's very sour. A little sour.
Sour? No.
Do it, try it.
Try it?
Try it. It's like buttermilk, man. No?
No. Like our milk. Look at Lebanon. Lebanon, yeah.
It's a little more sour than mine used to. No, it is the best, man. This? Oh, I like it. I love it.
You like the goat, huh?
Yeah, I love the goat. For me, my top two favorites, lamb, goat. The best. Let's go in. Look at this. Look at that flesh. So good. You never leave the goat. The meat, always. You good?
Yeah, good.
You done?
So delicious, yeah.
Yeah, it's delicious. Oh, adding the greens, love it. So fresh. Every Kerala. Where?
Kerala, Calicut.
Calicut.
Kerala, nice place. Why not? You know why not?
No, I know.
Very nice.
Munnar. I'm going to Munnar.
Munnar, very nice.
Yeah.
Very good place.
Hill station.
Aywa.
Chokran. Bye bye. Yes. Yeah, because it's so hot at this time, it's like 2:30. We're gonna go to a cafe, have some shisha. We have to, and some tea. I need tea right now, man.
Green tea?
Yeah, black tea, no?
Okay.
Whichever tea. I really like the Arabic coffee though. It's too hot. This is why they have cafes with shisha, because the heat, especially in the summer months, can't even be here. So
And also in the winter, so cold.
Call it prayer, right? So it's like a traditional place though, right? Yeah, an older school one. Yeah, because we are in the center of the city. Right there we have like one of the tallest structures. Wow, a lot of old buildings here. A lot of old buildings. This is a traditional cafe. Nice. You hang out here a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah? So basically the way it works is that they bring you the shisha and then he has to start it up. So he starts it up, as you saw before, like I didn't have it lit, so I didn't get anything, right? Here we go. Still very little. I think we fixed the issue. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, it's good.
ها؟ والله انا ما ادري، انا جرب العنب واستانس عليها.
I feel it. This is what I feel, yeah, man. I get lightheaded, you know. I never smoke, so sit here, have your hookah, your shisha. There's just black tea. Oh, I love this. I can drink this all day. Oh wow, it's good. It's good. You good?
Good.
Coffee, cigarette.
Coffee's good, cold.
Hi David, welcome to Kuwait and nice to meet you here, and I hope to see you again here again.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
All right, so they told me I was doing it wrong. I have to sit in this position, relax mode. Oh, it feels great. Ah, some black tea. This one's stronger than yesterday's, my friend. This one's stronger, you feel it. Wow. The thing is that I don't smoke tobacco ever, like those cigarettes. So for me, I really feel lightheaded, you know? It's good, it's nice. Oh, go to sleep. Oh, shisha hit me hard. Had to like pass out for like 10 minutes there. Strong shisha, dude, strong.
Yeah, that's fine.
So what area is this?
Salhiya area. There's shisha here, there mall, office.
So basically it's like old Kuwait City.
Yeah, it's all Kuwait.
We are in the center of Kuwait City, wow. And over here we have the flag, it's awesome. A mural of the flag, Kuwait flag. Really old buildings here, man. So we're entering an old mall and we're gonna look for a Kuwaiti map. Ooh, the air conditioning here is great. Wow. From that heat to this, incredible. And if you're not used to smoking, I don't know if you would like shisha, because that was a little intense for me. Dude, I really felt it. It was like, wow. My head was spinning a little bit. This mall is very weird. The whole thing is basically empty. It's like 5 shops out of like 100 that are open. Very, very random. As you can see, they're all closed. So weird. And he's telling me that this is actually like 60 plus years old. So one of the oldest shopping malls in Kuwait, and it used to be packed. We used to come here, right?
Yeah, when I was good, yeah. Everyone's come here.
Everybody come here. Yeah, it's in the center of the city. And here we have one shop that is open. What do they have? I'm guessing they have like souvenirs and stuff. Look, like games for kids, puzzles, books. Nice. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna find my map here. Can we check it here? Oh, let's try. Unfortunately, they don't have it here. They only have the Middle East map, but they said they go down, and there might be another one downstairs that has it. Let's see. Closed, but doesn't know that they have it. All right, man. Let's go to the mosque. Grand Mosque. So wild. I've never seen this. It is like dead. I mean, there's some shoe shops right here. That's basically it. It's so random. After only a 5-minute drive, we're arriving here at the Grand Mosque of Kuwait. This is the largest and the official mosque in the country of Kuwait. It spans 45,000 square meters, out of which the building itself covers 20,000 square meters. The main prayer hall is 72 meters wide on all sides, has teakwood doors, and has lighting provided by 144 windows. Well, it's right here, and it's actually sunset right now, so it's golden hour. We're gonna be able to see it outside beautifully. Hopefully we can go outside. I don't have a guarantee, but we'll see. This building is massive. What a huge mosque. Huge.
So this mosque was built in 1979 and finished around 1986. We have a couple of countries that have contributed to bringing materials into this mosque. Number one, we have carpets that come from Egypt. We have walls covered in Italian marble, Moroccan mosaic, and Moroccan gypsum. If you look over there, around the door, you're going to see some geometric art, those flowery designs, and above, the ones that were carved, those are both Moroccan gypsum and Moroccan mosaic. Up over there, we have French stained glass windows, and over here, we have a German crystal chandelier, 2 on each wall and 4 on each pillar. Down here is the main prayer hall, and at the back, we have a smaller prayer hall. The total this mosque can fit is about 50,000 people approximately inside the parameters. This hall alone can fit up to 10,000 people approximately. The one up there for the women can fit up to 500 people approximately. But that prayer hall, no man is allowed to enter under any circumstance, even though his wife is there, unless it was an emergency or unless they need to do a bit of maintenance over there. But whilst the woman is praying, a man is not allowed to enter. The whole idea is because of privacy.
So as you can see, this is a humongous hall. 10,000 people fit here every single Ramadan and Friday around 11, 12 o'clock. People come here. That's the only time it's used. And on Eta, which is like their like Christmas, that day as well. And this tour takes place every day except Fridays and Saturdays. So if you're here on Friday and Saturday, you can't come on this tour. If not, come here at 5 p.m. and you get to this tour. It's free. Wow, what a beautiful mosque. Look at this. Wow.
So what we have over here is the niche or the mihrab, okay? It had two purposes in the past. Number one, to amplify the voice of the imam, and secondly, to indicate or tell us the direction of the prayer. So when we'd enter the mosque, we'd look at the mihrab and we'd be able to tell that you could see how it would be pointing concavely like that, and then we'd know that that was the direction. This is the pulpit, okay? This is where the imam would give a Friday speech just before the prayer.
Cool back door. I didn't even notice that was a door. Oh wow. Look at this. So the way this works is that, you know, on Fridays and Ramadan, the imam comes here, he does a speech. It really depends how long. I mean, it could be 5, 10, 20 minutes. And then after he's done, they start the prayer. And look, from here you see the entire mosque. You can basically see every single person, obviously not behind the pillars, but you can see almost everybody. Wow, what a grand mosque.
This over here is the Uthmani Quran book, okay? And it's a 30-year-old copy of the original. The country that actually gifted this to us was Turkey. The president of Turkey 30 years ago gifted us this copy. The original is up to 1,400 years old. It's more than that, sorry. Okay. Let me tell you the story about how the Quran was revealed briefly. It was revealed in a period of 23 years. And we have many, the Prophet Muhammad had many companions. So between the Prophet Muhammad and Allah, there was a messenger. We call him Angel Jibreel alayhi salam. And he would come down in that period of 23 years and he would reveal verses to the Prophet Muhammad. Back then, the way they would do things is by listening and memorizing. Because education wasn't like it is today. Not many people knew how to read, not many people knew how to write. It was more the more privileged people.
Well guys, we explored Kuwait City. What a great day it's been. The food today for lunch was so delicious. That go with that rice. Oh, one of my favorite meals for sure of these past 2 days. I think it was my favorite dish by far. My favorite dish. It was just so good, juicy, delicious. Then after that, we went to a traditional cafe, tried some shisha. Really strong, but I definitely recommend doing it. I mean, when you go to different places, you have to do what the locals do, you know? That's why I really like to do this. I like to dive deep into culture. You know, I don't really smoke, but why not try it? Even if I felt a little bad, I think it was worth it. I mean, it's really a cool experience. Everybody's so nice in Kuwait, by the way. Everybody's so nice. No one has an issue with anything. And then after that, we came here to the Grand Mosque, the Grand Mosque of Kuwait. You have to see this. Come here, 5 p.m. every day except Friday and Saturday. You guys have to see this place. The guide, Aziz, was epic. He was awesome. Really nice guy. Thank you so much, Aziz. It was a great day, great tour. I love this mosque. I mean, one of my favorite mosques of all time. Just beautiful, so grand, you know, grandeur. And I hope you love this video in Kuwait City. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Kuwait. Let's go.